scratch, 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 way too easy. Breaks, breaks, breaks. Have a look at that. Who still has a button on your iPhone? This is way too old, too outdated. These days, people are using one only MagicJohn, especially the third generation. Easy, simple, takes about 3 seconds, and then the result will last you for 3 years minimum. First, you need to use the cloth, get rid of the glass and the fingerprint looking like that. Wonderful. Close it, hear that two sound, pull the dust removal tape. Attaching automatically, now you can lift it, use the cloth that comes with it, run through the corner and the edges. Gently remove the last layer, have a look at that. No dust, no air bubble, no misalignment. Look at this. I am outside. You can do this anywhere, anytime. Privacy version, 28 degrees from each end, protecting your secret. And the best thing is, this one is very smooth. Water does not stay, fingerprint, no chance. And also, you can drop it as much as you want, some scratches. Not on our watch. Last but not least, this blade, which has shattered a lot of matte finish, but there's nothing to a good old MagicJohn. Like this cookie yellow card, get it now.